Begin your journey to a stronger, more balanced you, focusing on the subtle power within.
Every moment of stillness is an opportunity to engage and strengthen your deep, stabilizing muscles. Warm up your shoulders and upper body, preparing for fluid, controlled movements ahead. Engage your back and shoulder muscles, ensuring full mobility and preparing for dynamic strength. Activate your hip flexors and core, initiating a gentle, dynamic stretch for your lower body. Stretch and strengthen your glutes and hamstrings, improving flexibility and preparing for power. Gently mobilize your spine and engage your obliques, preparing your core for dynamic stability.
Deepen your twists, feeling the activation in your core as you prepare for increased demands.
Transition into your main workout, focusing on foundational movements for full body strength. Engage your largest muscle groups, driving through your heels for powerful, controlled squats.